Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed the signing of defensive midfielder Adolf Mtasingwa Bitegeko from Tanzanian side Azam FC on a permanent deal. The 27-year-old former Azam skipper makes history as he becomes the first Tanzanian footballer to sign for the Glamour Boys, bringing European experience to the club's midfield setup ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. Before making his high-profile move to Naturena, Adolf built a career path across Europe and East Africa. The midfielder spent notable spells in Iceland with KR Reykjavik and Keflavik and also Volsunga IF before returning home to join Azam FC early in 2024, where he quickly rose to captain the Tanzanian Giants. And on international stage, Adolf has earned 5 caps for Tanzanian national team, Taifa Stars. He is Kaizer Chiefs' third signing in the current transfer window, after the Glamour Boys managed to sign Bafana Bafana players Thabo Moloisane from Stellenbosch FC and also Ronaldo Lina from Sekhukhune FC. Thabo Moloisane and also goalkeeper Ronaldo Lina, they were signed on free transfers, but Adolf has been signed for a fee. We just don't know the transfer fee. Despite not being part of Amakhosi preseason training camp in Spain, Chiefs fans might get a glimpse of Adolf when they play in the Toyota Cup against Zimbabwean champions Scotland FC at the Royal Sports Palace in Rustenburg on Sunday, the 26th of July 2026. Kaizer Chiefs announced the signing of Adolf in a statement. Here is what the statement from Kaizer Chiefs says. Kaizer Chiefs have secured the services of Adolf Mtasingwa Bitegeko from Tanzanian Giants Azam FC on an undisclosed fee following successful negotiations between the two clubs. The 27-year-old defensive midfielder, who was captain at Azam, becomes the first player from Tanzania to join Amakhosi. His arrival adds an impressive list of players from over 20 different African countries who have worn the famous gold and black jersey. Mtasingwa brings valuable experience, having spent 6 seasons in Scandinavia, playing in the Icelandic, Norwegian, and Finnish leagues. He returned home in 2024 to help Azam finish third in the Tanzanian league last season. The Tanzanian international filled the role of vice captain for his national team. We warmly welcome Adolf to the family and wish him success on his journey with the Glamour Boys. That's the statement that Kaizer Chiefs announced Adolf with. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this signing by Kaizer Chiefs to add an experienced defensive midfielder? Are you impressed with this signing? And also, let me hear your rating. How do you rate this signing out of 10? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.